They laughed at him. They said he would never be more than a janitor. He was invisible to the world, but he saw something the world didn't, his own potential. He came from nothing. No rich family. No support. No backup plan. Each day after school, he cleaned classrooms. Not because he wanted to, but because he had no other choice. His hands were rough, his body exhausted, but his mind, it dreamed of something greater. While others wasted time, he was building a future in silence. He stayed up late studying books no one gave him. He ran in the cold when no one was watching. He failed. He cried. He broke down. But he never quit. You see, he wasn't working for attention. He was working for transformation. Every moment of pain became his fuel. Every insult became his reason. And every no became one step closer to a yes. Years passed. Slowly, quietly, he built himself piece by piece. A scholarship here. A small win there. An idea. A dream. A plan. No fancy investors. No viral fame. Just raw grit and belief. And one day, he walked into the same building he once cleaned. Not as a janitor, but as the owner. The one they ignored now had a name they couldn't forget. They clapped for him. Took photos with him. Wrote articles about him. But he remembered. He remembered the silence. The pain. The empty stomach. The broken shoes. And he smiled. Because he knew he didn't prove them wrong. He proved himself right. So if you feel like nobody sees your effort, if you feel like you're stuck at the bottom, if you feel like the world is silent and good, because the greatest growth happens in silence. The loudest success is born in quiet struggle. Your start doesn't define your ending. Your pain isn't your prison, it's your preparation. And your past doesn't limit your future, it shapes it. Don't stop. Don't settle. And don't you dare give up. Not today. Not ever. Because one day, they will clap for you too. Just make sure you're still standing when they do. Subscribe for daily motivation.